Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show how to export Blender animation to Element 3D in After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, for example, I will animate this cube. Select this cube, select Move Tool and move to left. Then go to here, make new position keyframe, Y position. And we can see here new keyframe. And let's go to photo keyframe and move to right. For save this move, click this for create new keyframe. Let's see. Nice. And go to back. Let's make scale Y keyframe and go to 20 keyframe. Change scale like this. For save this setting, click new keyframe and go to last keyframe. Change this one and click here again, save. Let's see. Nice. So let's back to again first keyframe and make Z rotation. Go to last keyframe, change rotation 360 and click here for create keyframe. Let's back to first. Let's see. So for work keyframes, let's click here and move up this timeline, open summary, and we can work with keyframes here. Let's go to 70 keyframe and select these first keyframes. Let's Ctrl C, Ctrl V for loop animation. Also we can select these keyframes, move right like this. Okay, so for select work area, go to here. This is start keyframe 1 and end keyframe. Let's change 70. Let's click play. Nice. So select these all keyframes, right mouse and go to here interpolation mode, select Bezier for smooth animation. Okay, very good. So this is very basic and simple animation. So I will export this animation sequence to Element 3D. Let's go to File, Export and Wavefront OBJ. Select Desktop and create new folder. Add name Cube and open Cube. Let's change name Cube OBJ. And for sequence export, let's click animation checkbox and we can set here first keyframe and end keyframe. Let's click export wavefront OBJ. Nice. Let's go to After Effects. Let's create new composition, cube. Time duration and width is okay. Click OK. Let's create new solid. Add name Element 3D. Click OK. Then go to Effects, Video Couplet and Element. Then go to Scene Setup. And go to File, Import and 3D Sequence. Let's go to Open Cube. Select first 3D object. Click Open. And click OK. Let's click this checkbox for normalize size. Okay, let's change start frame for C animation. Okay, very nice. Let's go to create plane and change scale like this and move to down and click OK. Let's animation. Nice. Okay, let's create new camera. Click OK and let's click this for control camera. Okay, let's animation. Nice. Let's select this Element 3D, go to render settings, open ambient occlusion, click checkbox for enable and change intensity 10. Let's say again. Nice, very good. So friends, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.